If you're looking for the perfect hair dryer with a diffuser, look no further. I just love this one. I actually keep it in my box because it's just so pretty. So there you go, you turn it on. There are 3 different temperature levels. So there's warm, hot, and cold. There's 6 different speeds, if you however fast you want it to go. And even there's different heads I want to show you. So you could have the regular hair dryer and the diffuser, which is so great because it works for so many different types of hair. It's so hard to find like a machine that's going to be good for everyone. Like, you have a few kids or yourself, like, it's depending on what, style of hair you want to do, or depending if you're going out or just for a regular day at work. And what I really love about it is that it's magnetic, as you see. You just like clip it in. So you don't have to like sit there, just a one hand move. You don't have to like sit there, screw it in, buckle it in, clip it in. It just sticks by itself. So it's just so practical, high quality. I love it. The screen display is just so high tech and, so pleasant to use. So yeah, I really recommend it if you're looking for just a perfect hair dryer with a diffuser. 10 out of 10.